Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to turn off read receipt in Instagram. Friends, due to some reason, if you want to turn off read receipt in your Instagram account, then you simply need to open your Instagram app. Now here in your Instagram app, you need to press on the profile icon. Now press on the three lines. Now here scroll it little down and press on message and story replies. In messages and story reply, you need to press on show read receipts. Now here you simply need to disable read receipts. So friends, like this you can very easily turn off read receipt in Instagram. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.